Welcome to the video, guys. You clicked on this because you've seen the thumbnail and the title and you want to know how you can start clipping on TikTok to start making decent money. Okay, guys, I'm sure you've heard of the TikTok Creator Awards program, but essentially, guys, what I do is clipping. So I don't use the Creator Awards program, guys. I just post shorter clips than a minute long because obviously in the Creator Awards program, a minute long clip, 60 seconds, is what's monetizable. In clipping, you can get clips that are 10, 15, 20 seconds long that are fully monetizable, and that's exactly what I do to make money with clipping. So guys, I'm going to go straight into it and how you can start making money as well. You may be wondering, why am I scrolling through this page? Well, this is basically one of our pages here. I know I'm not logged in, guys, so I'm just going to show you proof that I actually own the page right now, as I don't want you guys to think I'm misleading you whatsoever. But there you go, guys. There's the full dashboard. Just to get into it, guys, how do you start making money clipping on TikTok? Right, so I've seen this topic going around quite a bit. But so there's multiple ways you can monetize your content around TikTok. So you've got logo campaigns, which is like the stake logo, or it's like Rainbet, which I've got down here. So there's multiple ways you can go about this, right, guys? So essentially, with the stake logo, you could get monetized, but it's very hard to get into that program. You can also get monetized with Rainbet, the Rainbet logo, which is a lot easier to get into that program than a lot of others. Or you can just start making streamer clips and clip for specific people. What I mean by that is people like Steve Will Do It, for example, who's just here live streaming on Kick now. You can make money by clipping his content and get paid directly from Steve Will Do It. And all you need to do is just post it on TikTok. Now I'll show you guys a bit more about how much Steve Will Do It pays and everything else, the ins and outs right now. Okay, guys, so let's jumping straight into it. So what you got to do to get monetized by clipping Steve Will Do It for content, for example, is use a logo like this, which the clipping provider provides. So there's a clipping host that hosts this clipping program, and they provide you with all the stuff you need, guys. Some provide you with all the clips and long form content you can use the clip, and some provide you with the logos like this one here. So obviously you need to place this logo to get monetized and also get into the server, which I teach you how on the Discord down below, which has a full free guide on how to get started with clipping. Feel free to join that, guys. It's completely free. But jumping straight into it as well, so then we got to go to how much do we actually get paid, the nitty gritty part. So okay, guys, so for someone like Steve Will Do It, for example, they pay you $300 per million views, which on the grand scheme of things doesn't seem like a lot, but running multiple pages, running streamer clips, and on TikTok as well, you can definitely make some serious money, right, guys? So I'm just going to jump into my page and show you now how much views I actually got on my page. Okay, guys, so I'm back on my page now. You can see here, guys, that look, some videos don't do that good, I'll be honest, but some do. You know, you got 100k views here. The further I scroll down, you got 1.6 million views there, 150k views here. Over a month of posting, because they pay you once every month at the end of the month. Over the course of a month, that compiles a lot, guys. So you can start making serious money clipping people like Steve Will Do It. And the best way to do it, again, is to make a streaming clips page, which will go through my Discord, and then start posting, and then you can get monetized by these other programs like Rainbet, potentially even Stake, and Steve Will Do It himself. There's also loads of other avenues you can go down. You can also clip for streamers like, the ones on Kick like Aiden Ross, Neon, and loads of other big ones like XQC. But that is how you get started clipping on TikTok. Again, you could do it on Instagram, but TikTok is really, really good because it's a lot easier to get views on TikTok, in my opinion, and that's how you get started clipping on TikTok. That's how much money you can earn. I know this video is pretty short, guys, but this is just touching the very surface of it, and if you want to learn it all, join my Discord down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit more insight on how clipping actually works, how much you get paid, and which creators kind of have programs that are clipping. So check out my other videos if you want to learn more about the other programs. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.